The reason as to why I love making this often is because 1, it's fun, 2, budget friendly, 3, not time consuming, and 4, it's very delicious. Not something oftenly you can see anywhere. And stick around with me, I'll show you how to make Mandazi Bazenga. This meal, you will need a few mandazis, tomatoes, eggs, onion, and a bit of spices. I'll start off by prepping my onions, of which my onion is very big, so I'm gonna use half of it. I'll dice off my onion. I'll set it aside. Then I'll pick one huge tomato, remove the top part and slice it. I'm done prepping my onions and tomatoes. I'll set them aside. Then I'll start off by preparing and cracking my eggs. The reason, don't mind this, I kept it because my chopping board was moving. Next step is cracking my eggs. And I'm going to be using 6 eggs. I'll add in my spices, that is garlic, paprika, and some salt. Then I'll also add in 2 Royco cubes. Smash it in. Mix them up. I'll pick my tomatoes and onion that I set aside and add into my mixture. Then mix them again evenly so that they can be evenly distributed. I'll then set it aside. Now for the second last part, which is I'm having my leftovers mandazi. I'll pick them and slice them into cubes. My last mandazi. I've realized my bowl is small, and my mandazis are more. So I can't add them here because I'm gonna make a lot of mess. So I will pick a bigger bowl, which I'm gonna put now everything in here. I'll start off by adding these mandazis. I will gently pour it down into my bigger bowl. Then I will mix them up. I'm done mixing everything up, and to the next step, which is cooking. I'll pick my non-stick pan Place it on top of a stove into a medium flame. I'll then add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. After your cooking oil has heated, scoop a portion and place it in the pan. I'll then cover it and let it cook for around 30 seconds to 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, I'll check on it and see if it's cooked on the down part. I'll shake my pan and I can see mine is cooked. I'll set this aside. Then when it's ready, I'll be using a plate to flip it. Then cook the other side for another 30 seconds. It's ready, I'll take it out. And that's how you make Mandazi Bazenga. The preparation was quite easy. It's very economical. It's very fun to make. And the outcome is very nice. It also takes around 10 to 15 minutes to prepare it. This can be your brunch or your breakfast. I love the combination. The coffee is on point. My Mandazi Bazenga is also top notch. I love the taste. The flavors are evenly mixed. That's the best part of it.